Hello, my friends, it's Jade Bolden. So, this whole month I'm talking about gratitude and joy. We really can and have the power to create gratitude and joy. Now, a lot of times there's this thing in between where we are and where we want to be that is stopping us from having that gratitude and joy, right? So, today I'm going to talk about how to bridge that gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Okay, all of us want to eat better. Okay, we want to be healthier, we want to sleep more, we want to be more positive, we want to exercise better, we want to be kinder, nicer people to nicer to other people, right? And of course, we want to be less sensitive and less prone to be offended and things, right? So that, all of that is wonderful. We know, oh, over there is where we want to go. People will say, well, just be positive, just that, and you think, well, I'm over here. How can I get over there? I know what that is, but there's this thing in between that is holding me back, and I know what it is, or I can't fix it. I can't identify it. Okay, so that's the problem, isn't it? So what's that bridge? So I'll tell you what that bridge is. The bridge is our subconscious mind. Okay, so there's a lot of programming happening in our subconscious mind, and a lot of the programming is conflicting with your conscious mind. Okay, so in other words, some people might say it's the natural man versus the divine man, or the natural person versus the divine person within us. Okay, so we have us, and we have the other side of us too. Okay, so it's that conflict. So how do we fix that conflict? So a lot of times people look outside, look for the answers, and they keep looking and looking high and low, and they can't find the solution. The solution is within, my friend. The solution is inside of us, all of us. Okay, so my friend, if you are spiritual, if you consider yourself spiritual, if you consider yourself as God loving, so this is the solution that I've discovered, that God has taught me. So I hope you can see this tree. So think of yourself and your life as a tree. So if you feel things like, anger or resentment or frustration, okay, feeling stuck, okay, so these are your feelings. So your body, your consciousness, right, we act on feelings. So if you don't feel really good and you feel tired and you feel angry and frustrated, what are you going to do? You're going to make some choices, right, on that emotion, right? So you might, sleep in or just burn the candle on each end, whatever it is, and then you create results. And sometimes the results or the fruits is not ideal. Okay, and a lot of times in the world we look out there and we try to fix the fruit, fix what's on the surface. Okay, we're looking high and low somewhere out there to fix what's on the surface. Okay, and did that work, and has that worked for us? No. Okay, it hasn't, right? What we need to do is go into the subconscious. Under the subconscious, okay, is the root cause of these things. If we change down here, so on top, things will change, right? But how do we get down there? Okay, before I tell you all that, I just want you to know that, we can use the clues of feelings and actions to help us identify the false beliefs and thoughts and negative behaviors and, bad habits, okay, unsupportive habits underneath the surface, okay? So these thoughts, okay, causes those things, okay? And then the belief is anchored in something other than God, okay? That's what it is, always. Okay, I am bad, I'm no good, I'm unworthy, whatever. Okay, so what we want to do is realign ourselves again to God and change in the subconscious level. Okay, and I can show you how to tap into your own subconscious level, okay, and rewrite your beliefs and change your thoughts again so that your feelings change. Okay, you feel more confident and positive and energized and motivated. And then, of course, those positive emotions cause you to take really good positive actions. And the positive actions will create good results. And those results will be a sign for you that you are heading the right direction. Okay? So there's not a lot of guessing out there and wondering. Okay, we really don't need to wonder that much. Okay, because God is good, and once we learn how to open our hearts and connect to divine powers, we're able to manifest everything that we want. Okay, so the answer, my friend, is within us. We really need to tap into the power of the master healer, Jesus Christ. We need to learn to master our energy and the elements within, because we're children of God. Okay, so we need to tap into our divine powers, because sometimes because we don't tap into our divine powers, we haphazardly use our powers to create what? To create drama in our lives. Okay, so let's not do that. So we need to identify those false beliefs and thoughts, and change it consciously and intentionally to align with God again. Okay, a lot of the stuff that we have is inherited, so I'll show you how to find that and identify where it comes from. All right, so I am inviting you to join me in our Discover Energy Balancing with Faith workshop. It's online. Okay, so either Wednesday or Thursday night at 7 p.m. Central, so that is for the Australians 11 a.m. Sydney time. Okay, and that is for Thursday and Friday for you. Okay, so just come along, have a look, talk to me, and I'll show you what we can do together. Okay, so please register. I've put the link here, and we can actually, my friend, life is a lot easier than we think it we imagine. Okay, it's not impossible, it's doable. Okay, we can fully own our power, so we can move our own mountains and part our own seas. Okay, so I hope that you join me, and if you enjoy and like the Energy Balancing with Faith, I hope you become a part of our community, so that together we can serve the world in a more powerful way. Okay, and that's how we bridge the gap between where we are now and where we want to be. Okay, just having more empowerment, understanding the subconscious and mastering the subconscious in between. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you. Please comment below, and please join me this week as we explore energy balancing with faith. This is the future, my friends. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. I'm sending you lots of love, light, and healing, and I look forward to seeing you on the workshops, Zoom meetings. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye for now.